Ready to elevate your student living experience in Sheffield? Welcome to Redvers Tower, where you get an experience of luxurious living. Choose from classic and premium non-en suites, modern studios, and shared or private apartments that offer both privacy and contemporary living. Each room features a cozy bed and a spacious layout to keep your space tidy and comfortable. But that's just the beginning. Redvers Tower boasts fantastic social spaces to connect with your peers, a cinema room for movie nights with friends, and a well-equipped gym to keep you strong and active. With all utility bills seamlessly included in your rent, you can enjoy a hassle-free lifestyle tailored to your needs. Plus, the on-site maintenance team ensures everything runs smoothly so you always get the best experience. The location is perfect with Sheffield Hallam University and Sheffield Institute of Arts Gallery just a short distance away. Step outside to savor delights at Rendezvous Cafe and Sandwich Bar. For nightlife, the Benjamin Huntsman is the perfect venue. Plus, Moorhead bus stop nearby adds transport convenience, making travel easy. So what are you waiting for? Visit amberstudent.com now and secure your ideal sanctuary at Redvers Tower Sheffield today.